Hi guys!
Again.
Hi guys, today we're going to see the animals. A crab, a pufferfish, puffer, a whale, a seal, a starfish, a octopus, a turtle, a shark. All of the 8. Let's go. The shark can swim now. The turtle can swim now. The octopus can swim now. The starfish will swim now. The sea, the whale is swim now. The crab still swim now. The pufferfish is swim now. The seal is swim now. And thanks for watching. Bye. Not the end yet. Now next to me are my fidgets I've been collecting. And I've always when I first got my first puppet is this one. I love playing with it. And I really liked it, so I was wondering if I could collect. I couldn't find that much, and I didn't know where to get the fidget. So at Brisbane on our holiday, I got more puppets. I got this one and this one there, and I got more fidgets in Townsville. And I'll show you. So I know I showed you this mini puppet. It's really nice. And it's only a little bit and I like it. So and then I got this other puppet. It's a rainbow puppet. It's my favorite puppet. This glow-in-the-dark puppet, it's a heart, and I really like it because it's really loud on the other side. Then I got this cupcake puppet. It's really nice, and I really like it. It's really comfy, and I really like the style of it. It's actually an ice cream, if I actually remind you guys. And I just got this one today. My auntie gave it to me. Her name's Tita Boo. Tita Boo. Tita means another word for auntie. And she gave me this puppet today, and it's really cool. It's like an egg carton, like around it. And here. Now I showed you all of my puppets. I'm going to show you my fidgets. The difference is this one's only for popping. Now I'm going to show you my other fidgets. Rocket's playing with them. And now, First, I got this simple dimple. It's like a pop-it, but like 3 triple simple dimple. So here it is. There's usually people who like simple dimples, so these are really popular. Here is a wacky track. It's really stretchy and really cool. And you can make it into a snapper, which is like, yeah, I can explain it. So this is a real snapper. It's very cool, and the sound is like satisfying, like this. Yeah, it's really good. Now I got this dimple. It's really nice, and I love it. It's like, because people like get normal dimples, but this one's a unicorn version. So I got this one because I really like it. And then yesterday I just got this little mochi squishy. I got it from Sminkles, and it's a mochi, really squishy, and it's a mer kitty. I got this pusher. I just made it out of a lollipop, and I just pushed it up and down. I know it's a bit boring, but it's still a fidget, and I really like it because this is homemade. So, or maybe should I say shop made? Mommy. I know this is not really a fidget. Mommy. But it's called a fashion fidget, and it's like, yeah. Rogan's turn.
Okay.
Rogan's turn.
Okay, Rogan, you go. Well, what do you want to show?
I get the alphabet.
Show your alphabet.
No, say hi guys.
Say hi, guys.
Hi guys, today we're going to teach them learning the alphabet.
Yay!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I know it. This is the letter A. The A is a vowel. A. And B is the consonant. B. And D is a consonant. No. And B is the consonant. And E is in vowel. And F is in consonant. And E is in consonant. And H is a consonant. F is in vowel. And J is in consonant. K is in consonant. L is in consonant. And M is in consonant. And N is in consonant. And O is in vowel. And P is a vowel.
P?
P's a vowel. No, P is in consonant.
Say sorry, guys. Say sorry, guys.
Sorry, guys. And Q is a consonant. And R is a consonant. And S is in consonant. And T is a consonant. And U is in consonant. And U is a consonant.
You?
No, U is a vowel.
Say sorry, guys.
Sorry, guys. Boing. V is a consonant. W is a consonant. X is a consonant. Y is a vowel.
What?
Sometimes.
Why?
No, because sometimes sometimes Y is sometimes a vowel. Because sometimes it makes I and E. And V is in consonant.
Thanks for watching.
We're watching. Hi.
Bye.
Now back to me.
Okay, back to Riley.
He was interrupting, but he always messed up a bit of the letters of the consonant and vowel. But at least I get to continue. So I got this fidget. What? So it's a bit broken. And here's the fidget spinner. There. Okay.
Nice.
I'll keep on. Okay. And then I know stop until I keep talking. Okay, it stops spinning. So here's this fidget cube. This used to be my sister's, but she doesn't like it anymore, so I got it and I found it. And I kept it, even though it's broken here a bit. I don't care. It's still a fidget. And I wanted to find it, but here I got the spiky ball. It's very squishy and it's a pokey. Last of all least is the marble mesh. It's really, these are popular and I like them because they're like fidgety because it's like marble in a tube. I know people say it's a waste of money, but it's still a fidget. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm gonna show you how all of these fidget works. So I'm gonna pop all of these ones. Now I have the snapper. The snapper works like this. Sometimes it gets stuck. So if it gets stuck like this, do the opposite side and then squish it. Do the wacky trick. You just like fidget with it like that. And these are really cool. Nothing to show with this. Marble mesh just moves like this. Very common, but really cool. This simple dimple is really popular. It's a triple simple dimple. Really nice. So here I got this dimple. Really nice. Here. Squishy mochi. Meerkat. Pusher. Homemade thing. Pop it. Very, very soft. Very nice and very satisfying. Glow in the dark pop it. Hard a bit, but I really like it. This pop it, very cool, very amazing. 10 out of 10. I rate this a 10 out of 10. Because it's very cool. I like the designs on the sides. This pop-it is my favorite one. And I give it a 9 out of 10. Fidget spinner. It's a bit broken though. So I'll give this a 7. Fidget cube, very fidgety. The buttons are amazing. And I really like it, so I give this 8 out of 10. Spiky ball, 1 million out of 10 because it's really satisfying and squishy. Now, I'm gonna put my puppets all together and I'm gonna try pop them very quickly. And you put a and then So I'm gonna pop these all at the same time. I'm gonna pop all of these poppets, and then you count, and then you might see how much minutes it is. Okay, starting now. Was it fast or slow? Tell down in the comments. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more of our newest videos. We really appreciate it if you subscribe to us, it's because we're almost to 500. So if it's 500, we're halfway to 1,000. So if you please click the subscribe button, we appreciate it, and my mom will like it. So, bye-bye. Have a good day. Bye. Okay. Hi. Inside. Hello. Bye.